Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to back up your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap Google. Then, tap Backup or Backup and Restore, depending on your device. Make sure Backup by Google One or Backup to Google Drive is turned on. If it's your first time setting up backups, select the Google account you want to use for storing your backup data. Next, tap Backup Now to start creating a backup of your device. Wait while your phone backs up important information such as your app data, contacts, call history, device settings, SMS messages, and other supported data. Keep your phone connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure it has enough battery power until the backup is complete. After the backup finishes, you'll see the date and time of your latest backup, confirming that your data has been saved successfully. Having a recent backup makes it much easier to restore your information if you reset your phone, switch to a new Android device, or accidentally lose important data. That's all. You've successfully backed up your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.